Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Channel? Welcome to my YouTube channel. And for today's wala tuloy ako. Ulit. Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I am going to give my final update regarding the product that I've been using for quite some time now for my, acne scars. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I've been using this product for a month or two, at least a month. It's the Magic Scar Remover Gel. Here it is. This one. All I can say, it's not that effective as it was advertised or claimed to be. I didn't see much difference on my face for 2 months that I've used this product. I saw a very little difference, but I don't really think it could further penetrate deeply like the last one I've used, which is the Lambena ointment gel. The scars on my face aren't light. They are deep, ice peak, some are flat, and all other types. You can see it on, camera. Anyway, those people who suffered severe acne like me result in having a lot of scars. Some people who has money might go directly to a derma clinic and have their scars treated. But people like me who aren't financially capable of paying a lot of money for that specific treatment, I just want to find a product online or wherever I could find it that is effective and budget friendly. Unfortunately, in my experience, I've used a lot of products already, and sad to say, only a few of them are slightly effective but can't totally heal my acne scars. I don't want to be biased in giving my reviews in any product that I've used. If I said it's not effective, well, for me it's not effective. Maybe for other people it is effective, but for me it isn't. I have these scars on my face for more than 10 years, so the search is still ongoing. So probably on my next video, I'll try some other products combining with other products as well. So make sure you check it out. Make sure to check it out. So that's all for this video. And if you guys liked it, please give it a thumb and smash the red button and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified on my next video. And also say something in the comments below. I promise I won't bite. Again, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm your friendly YouTuber, not PewDiePie, not Ellen DeGeneres. It's Boy Visaya! Nag-iiwan ng katagang, pangit man ako sa iyong harapan. Di ba na ikaw din naman? Bye-bye!